pretty, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I'm here with an update on my A to Z project pan. We're going to try to roll through this because there's a lot of products, but also a lot that I've hit my goal on. So I'm going to just pretty much update you on what I've hit goal on, because otherwise we would be here for forever. Some of these do not have any progress at all because I haven't started using them yet. So I moved in Aspen Pine pencil for A, haven't used it yet. Behind the Scenes eye primer from Lorac, haven't used it yet. Dark Golden Olive, I moved in for D because C was done last round. I will link that up above. Haven't touched that. My e.l.f. brow gel, I've used a couple times, but not enough to see any progress. I mean, you can see that I've been using it, but other than that, it's not done. I just moved it in. However, I did finish up my Mario Badescu facial spray. Last time I was right here, and now we're done this. So this is going right into my empties basket because I loved it, and I already have another one in the works. You guys know that's like one of my favorite facial sprays, so that one is done though for the project itself. Then we have my Bite Beauty Gelato multi-stick, and I do have progress on this. This guy is really winding down. My goal was to get done the B, so I wanted to get halfway done to the end of where the B is, and that's like right here. So I am very close to being done with my goal on this. That was like a short-term goal. I do want to finish it this year, but I'm running out of time where that's going to be like an appropriate color for summer, because it really is like a nice mauve-y winter color. If you look down here, you'll see my progress, and it's going really well. I really do love using that, but for the summer, I want to be able to use something else. So my goal for this is going to be halfway, and then I'm going to use up the rest as I can. Then my Hourglass Lighting Palette. I have hit pan on that, and I've hit pan on it hugely. I'm going to continue using this because I really kind of want to see if I can finish it now, but for this project, my goal is done. It was just to hit pan. As you can see on this, I've hit pan on this middle one a whole bunch, which is the iridescent light, and I hit pan on this radiant light over here as well. So that one is done for this project, but I'm going to continue to use it. Then we have my Ivory Lace from Cella, which I do have progress on, and I will show you because I have marked it. So here's where we're at. I've made a little bit of progress, not a ton. It's not something that I use a ton, but I have started to use it down in my lower waterline because the other pencil that I was using for that, I'm done now. So I'm using it a little bit more. My Juju Rouge Lippy Stick, I've had some progress with as well. So you can see the progress on that one. I am liking using that red, but there's a ton of lipstick still in that, so that one is a work in progress. I also wanted to finish my Kitten eyeshadow, which was in my Steal It in the Light, and I have successfully finished that. That's right here, and that is all gone now. And I'm really, really happy with that. I have a friend coming into town, and if she wants to take this home with her, I'm going to let her take it. Otherwise, this one's going to go, because I just don't find myself reaching for it anymore. But I did really love using Kitten. And then I had my Hanalei lip treatment, and that is in my empties basket here, guys. I gotta dig for it, and I have fully finished. Like, it is done. But this one was really great. It was sweet, it tasted like really sugary, and it worked really, really well at night. I liked this one a whole bunch, but that one is officially done. Then I had my unnamed MAC shadow that I wanted to work on, and that one I'm still working on. I've hit pan on that. That's right here. And I'm still working through that one. I wanted to hit pan on NYX's Girl Talk. This one does not have pan, but it does have a good dip. It's what's on my eyes today, as well as my highlight. So this highlight and then what's on my actual like eyelid is Girl Talk, and I'm really, really loving using that, but I have not hit pan on that quite yet. Then I had my Smashbox Primer Oil, haven't used it yet. My Sephora Pencil Liner, haven't used it yet. My brush cleaner, have not used enough of that. Rose Salve is lost. I might have to replace that. I'm still looking for it. Catrice concealer, I had hit pan on that last time. I continue to work through it, but it's not done yet. My Tuscany eyeshadow hitting pan, haven't really used it enough to do that yet. My Makeup Geek Vanilla Bean is actually something that I had pan on last time, and then I repressed it and I've hit pan again. So you can see I've hit pan on that again. It's pretty thin. I did repress that, but I've got a little ways to go on that to finish it completely. My Wegmans Coconut Oil I have not used since the giant sheet debacle, where I slept covered in coconut oil and woke up with giant stains on my bed. So I haven't used that one again. My Olaplex I'm still working through. That was my hair treatment, and then everything else was done. So this round I moved out 1, 2, 3, 4 items this round. So not bad, still working through a whole bunch, but I've officially finished 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. 8 out of 26, not too shabby, still doing good, still making progress on the A to Z. I know this was a fast one, but I have a really short window for filming. I'm very, very sorry. I know I was talking very quickly, but I am really enjoying this project. It is year-long, so I have tons of time to still finish everything, and I will keep you updated on how I am doing in the future. Like I said, today is the 11th of April, and I'm going to throw up an update because I did have some decent progress and empties, and then we'll see when I check in next. I'm probably not going to until I have enough progress to make it worth it, so we'll see when that is. But that's been it for this update. If you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.